Meaning of electronic publishing.
Electronic publishing.
Electronic publishing.
Electronic publishing.
Electronic publishing. Electronic publishing refers to the distribution of digital content via electronic means. This includes ebooks, online magazines, digital newspapers, and academic journals that are made available on the internet or other digital platforms. The result of electronic publishing is that information becomes more accessible to a wider audience, as it can be easily accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Electronic publishing also allows for faster dissemination of information and can save costs associated with traditional printing methods.